All right, so Saturday work day 3. I'm gonna get real close to the camera because big man over there came out like a half hour earlier than the rest of us. He got up early, came out with a weed eater, and let's see what we're hoping to do today. So we are hoping this is the upper patch. There's the main yard and the trash house. Come up the driveway, and this is the upper patch. Mostly all blackberries and forgotten garden and forgotten chicken coop, stuff like that. So let's go see what burn pile number 2. Oh, looks like he's already pulled out some steel pipe. All right, let's see what else he's working on. But now you made a pretty good dent in that already.
Yep.
Wow, that's the early riser right there. Show us your knife, but what you got there? Just in case we need it for snakes, meth addicts, you know, stuff like that.
That's not nice. That's a machete.
That's quite a dent. All this right here used to be just like
that's
that right there. And
machete.
as you can see, we've even got dead trees in there. But for some reason, but now this whole garden thing, it's like a 1.5 foot deeper than the rest. All right, so this is what we hope to clear today. Not this, not the trash, but just the grass and the weeds and everything else. So, what you think, buddy? Think we can do it?
No.
No? If your mom will actually get dressed and get up here, we'll get the lawnmower going. I think we can get it. 15-pound demo sledge. There we go. All right, buddy. I think I'll take over just a little bit. And the mower has been deployed. The old lady in the straw hat. She's our mower lady. So here's one of the chores for today. It's what me and the little kids, turn you around. It's what me and the little kids are working on. Some idiot at some point in the lifespan of this place decided, hey, right beside the driveway in the blackberry patch, let's dump all our broken concrete. And so I got to get the concrete cleared out so that old lady on the mower can mow over the hill. And so this is what it's like when idiots are in charge. This happens. Hate me pushing this tree down.
Look at this big
manly man.
big manly man tree that Dad's about to knock down.
No, I'm the manly man.
Oh.
You good? Are you filming? Am I talking on camera right now? Okay.
Look at this manly man about to push down this tree.
That sounds much better. Yeah, I think the vines were all that was holding this thing up.
Really? What if this is the same way?
Yeah, it's still the same thing. The vines are holding it up.
Good job, babe. You gonna knock this one over?
Full of rattlesnakes or something.
That's a big one.
Oh, we're gonna have to cut that one.
Still got a little bit of aliveness to it.
Yeah, we're gonna leave this one for another day because not because we're tired or not strong enough, but let it be a warning to the other ones. We're coming. Hey guys, Dr. Dave here. I just wanted to add a last little word. Some of y'all have been asking about the Man on a Bear t-shirts. So if you want one of those, just look down below in the YouTube merch section there and you can order one. There's some other t-shirts and stuff that show up. They're all for me, but you can pop on there. There are several different versions of the Man on a Bear. And so be sure to get yours or a sticker or a hat or something. Support the Man on a Bear, and it'll help feed my kids. Y'all take care.